Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sell digital product on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have your name where we have your account settings, billing, email notifications and your purchases, and the logout button. We also have your store where you can see your product orders and all of those things, and the marketing. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell digital product on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So you have the option to go and click on customize your store, but to add a product to your store, here as you can see, customize your store. Underneath that, you have add your product. Click on that. So prep products for purchase, upload files, write descriptions, and browse the print on demand section. Click on add my product. Here, as you can see, the very first option, guys, is digital product. So upload ebooks, music, videos, software, or anything else digital. So basically guys, you just need to click on digital product and here you can add your digital product, save it, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.